Hello everyone. My name is Akash Patel, and today I will talk about what our team did to complete our project proposal. So, the topic our group chose to do was how digital marketing is affecting businesses because we were curious about what the results were going to be, and so we're going to find out. So, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is start off with Maylee's part. So Maylee was in charge of the introduction and conclusion of our project proposal, and he did a decent job at writing them. And you guys will soon find out by reading our project proposal. So we chose him for this position because he was good at introducing and concluding essays and presentations with good transitions. And grid transition was important for us because we needed to make sure that it was making sense for when we move on to person. And he has gotten all this experience from the amount of papers and presentations he has done in the past. And he has also made it easy for our team because he knew the business owners beforehand. And so we were able to schedule a meeting with them and ask them questions about their business. This would have probably taken us a longer time if we didn't have any prior connections. Um, because of the certain times that our team was able to meet up. Since we found this business, we were able to schedule a certain time that fit everybody's schedule and meet with them. So now we're going to move on to Vishruta's part. So Vishruta was in charge of the project proposal, which included the research methods, the results, and the discussion of the results. So this part took her a decent amount of time to do because she had to gather all the results and she had to put them in a way that made sense. And so we chose her for this position because she is very good at organizing and she was able to create a timeline to help us make sure that our group was following the due dates for our requirements of the project proposal. And so the due dates were important for us because we wanted to make sure that everyone was getting their part done so we can gather up all the information. So with the extra time that she had left, she was able to create a survey to compare the restaurant's current website with the newly created one so we can see how digital marketing plays a role in the audience engagement. And it also asks things about the user's experience with social media and if they found companies that were better than them. And so she's going to be discussing this information in her part of the project proposal. So lastly, or we're going to move on to Corey's part of the proposal. And so Corey was in charge of the budget and finance category, and he was also our project manager. So he was in charge of this because he knows how the marketing system works and works due to the amount of internships he's done in the past, and he was also curious about how much money businesses would have to pay to improve their business. And so we chose Corey as our project manager because he knows how to be a good leader, and he's gained this leadership quality by by being in the Marines for 5 years. And so the three main issues that he's going to be discussing in his proposal are the cost of each proposed step at several levels of quality, the projected profits at each step, and the relationship of steps each other and any notable differences when combining steps is more profitable than the sum of its parts. And so you will get a better understanding of this after you read his part of the proposal. Now, I'd like to thank everyone for giving me this opportunity to present this information. Our group worked very hard on this project proposal, and I hope you guys enjoy reading it. Thank you and have a great day.